I'll start with just a brief introduction, and then we'll work with a sample document together to practice. And then we can extend it. So if you need any extra time to, clarify anything or something else that you want to look at, or if you have any other questions, we'll be here for those. Okay. Welcome to Blackboard, the Blackboard Ally Workshop. We're happy to have you join us today. In this workshop, you'll learn the importance of using Blackboard Ally in your courses. This workshop will walk you through accessibility scenarios, and you'll see how Ally feedback helps you to improve inclusive learning in your course. Let's get started by introducing you to the Instructional Technologies team. I'm Val Sevilla, and we also have Thomas Fitzler here in person. We'll be working together to help you out if you get stuck. Diversity and inclusion are deeply held values at Truman, and we're committed to making all learning environments accessible to every student, including files and documents you upload to Blackboard. Accessibility ensures that your students can perceive, understand, engage, navigate, and interact with technology without barriers. In support of this goal, a new tool, Blackboard Ally, is now available on Blackboard. You do not need to turn it on. It appears automatically. Accessibility ensures that all of your students are able to access your course materials and use them as needed. Legally, Truman is required to have materials that are fully accessible so that everyone is able to access and use these materials as required, regardless of any visual, auditory, physical, speech, cognitive, or neurological disabilities. To learn more about accessibility and accessible course design, check out our UDL guidelines link on the LTT website. Ally is a tool in Blackboard that helps you to ensure course content is accessible to all users. It scans pages, documents, images, and more, providing each of them with an accessibility score and options for how to remediate if necessary. It checks course materials against ADA 504 and 508 regulations, provides students with accessible alternative formats such as audio and electronic braille, delivers guidance on how to improve the accessibility of the files, and provides a way for you to re-upload the file once you have fixed it. And it builds institutional capacity to respond to increased federal and legal requirements for accessibility at Truman. We're asking you to strive towards 85% on your Ally Content Accessibility Report. So remember that our goal is not to be perfect by the end, but the goal is to be better today. Currently, Ally checks the following file types that have been uploaded to Blackboard: images, Microsoft Word files, Microsoft PowerPoint files, OpenOffice, LibreOffice files, and PDF files. So now that you have a basic overview of what Ally is, we're going to get started together on modifying a document.